We looked at importing our data, we looked at assumptions and formulas. Now let's look at reports. I don't have any reports yet, so let's go ahead and create a new report. Just gonna call it EBITDA summary or something like that. Create, and I get my empty report. If you go back, you have various options. You can launch it, edit the details, duplicate it, remove it, and launching it pretty much executes it. So you have the launch report button here, but since we don't have anything in here, it's grayed out. Another important thing to note is that you can have multiple reports and multiple data sources. And it's important to note that all reports within the same project have access to all the same data points, assumptions, formulas,